number 8. This time, ang requirement, correct cash balance. So in effect, what's the method? Adjusted. And as I mentioned already, using the adjusted balance method, ang objective, arrive at the correct balance, the amount to be reported as part of cash. Okay? So kaya i-adjust natin bank and books. Okay? So i-identify, saan ba siya recon item? Sa bank ba or sa books? Para mag-arrive dun sa correct balance. Okay. Now, normally, okay, in most cases, balance per bank, balance per books, consider the recon items. Normally, after considering the recon items, bank and books, the same. Okay? That's the usual. Okay? Kaya lang, in some cases, after considering yung recon items, yung bank at yung books, hindi pa rin pareho. Okay? So if that's the case, okay, which will prevail? Pag magkaiba yung bank and books. Okay? Eh wala namang nakita ng other recon items. Hindi na ma-account. Okay. So pag may discrepancy, okay, presumption on evidence, anong mas reliable? Internal, external? External. So kaya kapag silent, okay, follow the bank. Kung ano yung naka-reflect as adjusted bank balance, yun ang magiging adjusted balance. Okay? Kaya i-adjust yung book balance para mag-equal dun sa bank. And yun nga, after considering the recon items, hindi pa rin sila pareho. Yung unaccounted difference, ito na yung short or over. So one way to compute cash short or over, yun din, bank recon. Okay? So based on that concept, kapag multiple choice problem, tapos ang question lang, adjusted balance, waste of time kung gagawin mo pa yung books. Okay? So ang gawin mo na lang yung bank. Kasi pag ginawa mo bank and books, kung magkaiba, susundin mo rin naman bank. Okay? So kaya waste of time yung books. So gagawin mo lang yung bank at yung books kapag ang requirement short or over. Yun, mapipilitan ka, pareho mong i-reconcile. Pero kung ganyan lang, katulad sa number 8, adjusted, bank only. Okay? Para mas efficient. So, let's start. Start from the balance per bank. So, itong balance per books, ignore yan. Okay, let's start from here. The balance per bank. Then consider bank recon items. Okay, bank service charge. Debit memo yan. Ignore books. Debit memo, cost of printed checks. Ignore books. Outstanding checks, bank recon item yan. Okay? So not yet paid by the bank, minus. Outstanding checks. Deposit of May 30, not recorded by bank until June 1. Deposit in transit. So, nandun na sa books, wala pa sa bank. Bank recon item. Add. Deposit in transit. Proceeds of bank loan, credit memo, books, ignore. Proceeds from a customer's promissory note, another credit memo, ignore, books. Check number 2772, issued to a supplier, entered in the accounting records at 2-1, but deducted in the bank statement at an erroneous amount of 1-2. Clearly, bank error. Dapat 2-1 eh. Ang nai-record sa bank, 1-2 lang. Okay? So kung dapat ay 2-1, ang na-record ay 1-2, kulang ang na-record sa book. Kulang yung na-record sa bank. So bank error. Okay? Understatement in recording check payment. Get the difference. Should be 2-1 as recorded 1-2. Okay, so the amount recorded in the bank under by 900. Okay, so kulang yung na-record na payment ng bangko. So minus. Understatement in recording check payment. So bank error. Next, stolen check lacking an authorized signature. Deducted from the company's account by the bank in error. Another bank error. Erroneous debit. Erroneous deduction. So, diniduct erroneously. Unauthorized pala. Lacking authorized signature. So, add it back. Okay? So, again, erroneous bank debit. So, kaya add it back. And then, customer's check returned by bank, mark NSF. Book recon item yan. Ignore. So, the balance per bank, bank reconciling items as adjusted. Okay, number 8, letter C. Okay, number 8, letter C. Now, for your additional practice, try mo na din yung books. Start from here. Tapos consider yung mga hindi natin pinansin, mga book recon items yan. You will arrive at the same adjusted balance. So try mo later. Prove mo lang. Okay? So again, okay, bank and books in this problem, the same. No short, no over. Okay? So again pag ang tanong lang, adjusted, tapos multiple choice ang problem, okay, bank only. Huwag mo nang gawin pa yung books. Waste of time. Gawin mo lang yung bank and books pag tinanong ka na ng short or over. So makasave ka ng time dyan. Okay, next. Compute.